Operation Red Jet is a South Wales Police investigation in Cardiff into county lines and urban street gangs involved in the supply and distribution of Class A controlled drugs, namely heroin and crack cocaine, in the capital city. The primary objectives of this operation were to target those directly involved in the supply of Class A drugs, identify and target upstream suppliers, namely the suppliers of the suppliers, safeguard vulnerable people, children and adults involved in county lines, and to gather intelligence and to understand the scale of the problem in the Cardiff area. Once all the intelligence and evidence was gathered, the enforcement phase of the operation has seen 5 citywide days of action. Over 400 exhibits have been seized. The court process is ongoing and we've already seen long custodial sentences implemented. During the execution of the warrants, as can be seen, large quantities of cash, Class A drugs, both heroin and crack cocaine, and a number of weapons, including large knives, have been recovered. This operation has sent a message to the community that the scourge of drug dealing and distribution of drugs in Cardiff, targeting the most vulnerable members of our society, will not be tolerated. Work is continuing to target this area of criminality. I've been the Senior Investigating Officer for Operation Red Jet, but the success of this investigation would not have been possible without the dedication, expertise and commitment of the team I've had the fortune to lead. They've worked long hours, often in extremely testing circumstances, to target and disrupt those involved in Class A drug supply and to protect vulnerable members of the community.